Welcome to the Outlaw channel. Today we're installing a kick plate on the door. Let's discuss the reasons why you would want to have a kick plate along the bottom of the door. This door, for example, is in my garage. Since this door used to slam really hard, I installed this closing arm. And now whenever I open the door, it is under tension. And it automatically closes. This now causes me to quite frequently prop the door up with my foot. This leaves some unwanted marks on the bottom. First thing you need to do is measure out your working area. In my situation, it's from here to the bottom of the door. 30 by 6 is where I want to stay. My goal with this door, as you can see, it's all staying in the same color. So I ended up ordering this kick plate, which came with 10 tiny black screws to match it. First, you want to try it out against the door. Find the location where you want it to be. Here is the final product. Thank you for watching this installation. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit a like to the video. See you around.